You know what's wild? There is one carb sitting in your kitchen right now that's quietly killing your testosterone, packing fat around your gut, and making you feel like you are running on fumes by 2 p.m. And here's the thing, you probably ate it this morning thinking you are making a decent choice. I'm going to show you exactly what it is, why it's destroying your body after 40, and what to do about it starting today. Look, I've worked with hundreds of guys like you, successful men who've built careers, who've raised families, who've done everything right. But somewhere after 40, the body just stopped cooperating. The belly start creeping over the belt. Your energy tanks, your strength's gone. And every single time when you dig into what you are eating, this one carb shows up like a clockwork. Getting this out of your life, and I've watched guys drop 15, 20, even 30 pounds without changing much else. But keep eating it and you're fighting an uphill battle you can't even win. So what's this? I'll go straight to the point. It's bread. Not just any bread. I'm talking about the soft, fluffy store-bought sandwich bread. The stuff that feels like a cloud in your hand and tastes like, honestly, like nothing. White bread, wheat bread, whole grain. It doesn't matter. Most of it is the same processed garbage wrapped in different packages. Now, before you think I've lost my mind, hear me out. This isn't about carbs being evil. I eat carbs. My clients eat carbs. But this particular carb is a nightmare for men over 40. And here's why most guys don't even realize it. Listen, stick with me because in a minute I'm going to tell you exactly what to replace this with. Something that actually works with your body, not against it. See, when you hit 40, your body doesn't just process food the same way it did at 25. Your insulin sensitivity drops. Your testosterone production slows down. Your metabolism downshift. That's just reality. So when you eat that bread, which is basically engineered to spike your blood sugar faster than any kind of soda can, your insulin goes through the roof. And here's what happens next. First, that insulin spike tells your body to store fat, not burn it. Store it right around your midsection where you least want it. Second, high insulin suppresses testosterone production. You are literally eating something that's lowering the one hormone you need the most to feel strong, to feel energized, and to be lean. The third, you get that blood sugar crash an hour later. You know that feeling, brain fog, irritable, reaching for another snack or coffee just to function. That's not age. That's what you ate. I had a client, Mark, 47 years old guy. He's a sales manager, high performer at work, but completely gassed by the time he got home. He couldn't play with his kids. He fell asleep on the couch every night. We looked at his day. His bagel for breakfast, sandwich for lunch, dinner rolls at dinner. 3 times a day, he was spiking his insulin, crushing his testosterone. So what did we do? We pulled the bread out. We replaced it with what I'm going to show you. And 8 weeks later, he was down 18 pounds, sleeping better, and his energy is back. Same guy, different foil. Now listen, if you're a man over 40 and you want to finally drop your belly fat, get your strength back, and feel like yourself again, without the body pain, without the joint pain, that's exactly why I built the Strong After 40 method. This isn't some cookie cutter program. This is designed specifically for your body, your hormones, your life right now. If you want me to help you put this into your own life, comment fit below and I'll be in touch and we'll map out a strong after 40 game plan for you. Now, so what should you eat instead? The answer is simple. Real food. Food that doesn't come in plastic bag with 30 ingredients you can't even pronounce. Here's what works. For breakfast, skip the toast. Have eggs with some roasted potatoes or a bowl of oatmeal. The real stuff, not the instant packets. You want carbs that release slowly, keep your blood sugar steady, and actually fill you up. For lunch, instead of a sandwich, have a meat and veggies on a plate. Grilled chicken, steak, ground beef. Load up on vegetables. If you need the carbs, Add some rice or a sweet potato. Real food, nothing from the factory. For the snacks, if you are hungry between meals, you are not eating enough protein. But if you need something, go with a fruit, with nuts, with Greek yogurt. Not crackers, not pretzels, not bread. Look, I'm not saying you can never have bread again, but for the next 30 days, pull it completely and see what happens. I'll bet money you'll feel better, you'll look better, and wonder why you didn't do this years ago. And now, if you want more strategies like this, real talk for men over 40 who are serious about getting their edge back, hit the subscribe button right now. I drop videos almost every day, and every single one is built to help you get stronger, to help you get lean, and to help you get energized again. Now, pulling bread out is huge. But if you really want to optimize your testosterone, your energy, and your body composition, there is one more thing you need to know. And most guys have no idea where they actually stand. The testosterone test. And this is why I put together a free testosterone scoring test. It takes less than a minute. You'll know exactly where your levels are and get a free game plan on how to fix it. The link is on the description of this video. Download it, take the test, and let's dive in. It's free. Now, all I want you to do for next week is to drop the bread. Fuel like a man. You'll feel different in days. And come back here and tell me how it worked. Share with your brother who needs to watch this. Subscribe, turn on the notifications, and see you in the next one. Copy that.